everyone, so let's move towards our today's topic, which is
So let's move towards the topic that is adrenal gland, okay, which is also known as suprarenal gland. Now, as you know that in abdomen region on each side, on the right side as well as on the left side, kidney is present, okay. In other words, a pair of kidney is present in abdominal region. Now, above each kidney, a gland is present, okay. Above each kidney, a gland is present in the posterior abdominal wall at the level of 12th rib, and that gland is called as suprarenal gland, because supra means above and renal means kidney. So suprarenal, above the kidney, or this suprarenal gland is also known as adrenal gland. Now, each adrenal gland consists of two parts: outer part, which is called as cortex, and the inner part is called as medulla, okay. The outer part, that is cortex, consists of three layers. Number outer layer is, now I have cortex composed of like I said, cortex composed of three layers: zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata, and zona reticularis. The outermost layer is the zona glomerulosa, okay. Now glomerulosa will secrete mineralocorticoids, okay. What is mineralocorticoids, what is glucocorticoids, what are the hormones which are secreted by adrenal gland, we will discuss in physiology part. But in this lecture you have to remember that the layers. Now zona fasciculata will produce glucocorticoids, and the zona reticularis, which is the innermost layer of the cortical region of the adrenal gland, will secrete androgen, that is sex hormone. Now medulla consists of some group of cells, and that group of cells are called as chromatin cells, okay. Chromatin cells are those cells which secretes adrenaline and non-adrenaline, okay. So the hormones we will discuss in the physiology part, but we are talking right now about the anatomy and the histology of adrenal gland. Now, right adrenal gland, like I said, it is a pair, so obviously right kidney के ऊपर right adrenal gland होगा, left kidney के ऊपर left adrenal gland होगा. So right adrenal gland is basically triangular in shape, and it consists of an apex, a base, and two surfaces: anterior surface and posterior surface. Obviously it is present a little bit behind the kidney, so on the it is present a little bit anterior to the kidney. So what happened, the posterior surface of the right adrenal gland consists of right kidney, okay, and it consists of three borders as well: anterior, medial, and lateral, which is not much important, but if you have to memorize. Then left adrenal gland, which is semi-lunar in shape, it consists of two parts: upper end, which is narrower part, and the lower end, which is rounded part, okay. Then it consists of three borders and two surfaces. Now the most important thing is now blood supply, okay. What is blood supply? Blood supply is through a superior, middle, and inferior suprarenal artery. Like I said, it is also known as suprarenal gland, so you can easily memorize the blood supply, that it will be supplied through suprarenal artery. And the venous drainage is very simple: suprarenal vein, okay. The right kidney will drain into right suprarenal vein, and the left will be drained into left suprarenal vein. Left suprarenal vein will further drain into left renal vein, and the right suprarenal vein will further drain into inferior vena cava. So this is the topic. And the last thing is nerve supply. It will supply through, the nerve supply of the adrenal gland is through preganglionic sympathetic fibers. Now this was the whole topic regarding the adrenal gland, and like I said, the important thing is adrenal hormones, and we will discuss in the physiology part. Till then, work hard, study hard, and good luck. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.